Hi, this is Mike. Now, if like me, you've got a Facebook page and you're trying to change the name of it, then finding the instructions for that seems to be some really dark secret that's locked away in a vault somewhere. But in any case, I have done it after several hours of messing around. And in fact, actually, it's very simple and very quick to do. So let me show you that now. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously load up our Facebook itself, our Facebook account. But the most likely thing is you've got your regular profile up there. So what we're going to do is to go to the top right-hand corner where your little profile picture or whatever you got there is. And we're going to click on that and then select our Facebook page that we're trying to change first, and then get that rolling up. And then once that's done, we're going to move down to settings and privacy. So now click on settings and go over on the column on the left to where it says page setup. And then that should take you to a column which says page setup at the top. And you can see right at the top there, you're given the opportunity to change the name and the URL at the same time. Now, one of the lessons I learned is you might want to change the URL first or experiment with the URL to make sure it's available before you change the name. Because if, like me, I change the name and then look to change the URL, then the URL has to be slightly different for me because the one I wanted wasn't available. So I did it the wrong way around, but lesson learned. So I would experiment with the URL first or before you save anything before you do it. Now, I've already done mine, so I'm not going to change mine exactly on here again, but I've changed it from where it was before to what it is now. And I hope this explains how to do it for you, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a like and always subscribe as well, would be great. Thank you.